guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mercytrades. Today we shall be discussing about the Forex Bible. And just to mention that a Forex Bible isn't an actual religious book, but it's a comprehensive foundational guidebook and resource that covers essential concepts, strategies and principles needed to become a successful Forex trader. Just to mention few key features of a Forex Bible. A Forex Bible is an all-in-one resource. That means it covers everything from beginner basics to advanced strategies in one volume, and there are also core topics that are included in a Forex Bible. Just to mention a few, to begin with is how the Forex market works, the technical and fundamental analysis, trading strategies, risk management, trading psychology and discipline, and finally the practical examples and case studies. Actually, the main audience of the Forex Bible is the new traders looking for structured education, and also the intermediate traders wanting to solidify and refine their skills. Examples of the Forex Bible are actually the currency trading for dummies, the candlestick trading Bible, the Forex trading Bible, naked Forex, and technical analysis of the financial markets. These are just but a few, and I want to dive into some of the books that I have actually read, and I actually want to refer them to you. To begin with, there is a book called Cryptocurrency Investing Bible by Alan. An overview of this book is that it's a comprehensive guide that introduces readers to the world of cryptocurrencies, covering essential topics such as blockchain technology, mining, trading strategies, and evaluating initial coin offerings, that is ICOs. And the book aims to equip both beginners and intermediate investors with the knowledge to navigate the volatile crypto market confidently. By reading this book, you'll actually gain knowledge on and you'll be able to understand the decentralized ledger system that underpins cryptocurrencies. You'll get insights into the process of validating transactions and how miners are rewarded. You'll also know how exploration of various trading approaches, including day trading, swing trading, and long-term holding. You'll also get guidelines on assessing the viability and potential of cryptocurrency projects. And finally, you'll get an emphasis on the importance of diversification of settling stop loss orders to mitigate potential losses. So these are some of the key takeaways that you'll get from the book. And if you're actually interested in any of the books that I'll be listing below, you can write a comment, and I'll actually contact you so that I can send you the book. Number 2 book is my Warren Buffett Bible by Robert. An overview of this book is that it's a curated collection of Warren Buffett's most insightful quotes. This book distills his investment psychology, emphasizing principles like value investing, understanding businesses thoroughly before investing, and maintaining emotional discipline. It's a concise guide for those seeking wisdom from one of the world's most successful investors. So this is actually a nice book for those that want to venture in investments. And the key takeaways is that by reading this book, you will be able to know the importance of buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals, focusing on the intrinsic value of companies rather than short-term market fluctuation. You'll be able to prioritize capital preservation and understanding the business one invests in. And finally, you'll be able to avoid impulsive decisions driven by the market sentiments. The third book that I've come across is the Forex Trading, the Bible by Samuel Rees. An overview of this book is that this comprehensive guide offers a 5-in-1 approach to trading Forex, covering beginner fundamentals, advanced techniques, and strategies for intermediate cash flow. The Rees provides practical insights into the Forex market, aiming to help readers develop a solid foundation and advanced skills for successful trading. Key takeaways on market mechanics, and you'll be able to understand currency pairs, that is the pips and leverage, and all the currencies. You'll be able to understand on technical analysis, that is utilizing charts, indicators, and patterns to predict market movement. You'll be able also to understand fundamental analysis, that is accessing economic indicators and news events that influence currency values. On risk management, you'll be able to implement stop loss orders and managing positions, sizes, and you'll be able also to protect your capital. So, and the number 4 book is the Candlestick Trading Bible by Homer. An overview of this book is that it is based on the strategies of legendary Japanese trader Munehisa. I hope I'm correct on mentioning that name. Munehisa Homer. This book delves into candlesticks, charting techniques, and it teaches readers how to interpret candlestick patterns to predict market movements, emphasizing on price action trading without relying on lagging indicators. So this book actually does not emphasize more on indicators, but just it will teach you how to analyze the market on your own by using the candlesticks and make your trades without using indicators. Key takeaways is that you'll be able to learn the candlestick patterns, learning to identify formation like the doji, the hammer, the engulfing patterns, and on the market psychology, you'll be able to understand how traders' emotions are reflected in candlestick formations. You'll be able to also learn about support and resistance using candlestick patterns to identify key price levels, and you'll be able also to learn more about the trend analysis by determining market direction and potential reversals through candlestick signals. Trading strategies by implementing technicals like the pin bar and the engulfing bar strategies for entry and exit points. My number 5 book is Business Secrets from the Bible by Rabbi Daniel Lapin. And actually this book, I was able to explore the intersection of faith and business. The book offers 40 spiritual principles that can lead to financial success. So remember, I also once told you that this isn't a religious book, but it's a collection of all the strategies, the principles that one needs to know so that he or she can become a successful trader. So about the business secret from the Bible, Rabbi actually got the 40 spiritual principles that can lead to financial success, drawing them from biblical teachings. The book emphasizes values such as integrity, service to others, and the pursuit of excellence, presenting a perspective that financial prosperity and spiritual well-being are harmonizing integratedly. So, key takeaways from this book is self-transformation. The book emphasizes on the human capacity for change and growth, and also the book also teaches you on connection and service, highlighting the importance of relationships and serving others in business. You'll also get to learn about perception and confidence, understanding how self-perception influences others' views and business success. Another topic you'll be able to learn is charitable giving, that is demonstrating how generosity fosters connection and opportunities. And lastly, from this book, I was able to get insights of moral foundation, and this is integrating ethical principles into business practices for sustainable success. So my number 6 book is The Trend Following Bible by Andrew Abraham. An overview of this book is that Andrew Abraham introduces readers to the concept of trend following, a trading strategy that seeks to capitalize on market momentum. The book outlines a disciplined approach to trading, emphasizing risk management and the importance of following a consistent methodology to achieve market beatings and return over the long term. So key takeaways is I was able to learn the trade identification using indicators like rate to change and to stop emerging trading, that is ROC and MACD. So I was also able to learn about the risk management, that is implementing strict position sizing and stop loss strategies to protect capital. There is also a topic on trading psychology, which I was also able to learn on developing discipline and patience to stick with the trend following strategy. And lastly, I was able to learn about the diversification, that is trading across various markets and time frames to maximize opportunities. So by studying this book, I was able to learn that I should not focus on only one currency or trading one market, that is maybe gold and USD, but I was able to learn that I can also venture into other currencies like GBP USD, yeah, or Euro USD. The seventh book is the Swing Traders Bible by Matthew and Mark. And the overview of this book is that this guides delves into swing trading, a strategy that aims to capture short to medium term gains in financial instruments. The authors discuss techniques for identifying trading opportunities, analyzing market trends, and managing risk, combining both fundamental and technical analysis to provide a holistic approach. And on this book, I was able to take key takeaways. That is market analysis. I was able to learn about combining technical indicators with fundamental data to identify potential trades. Secondly, there was entering and exiting strategies that determined optimal points to enter and exit trades based on market signals. Thirdly, there was risk management, setting appropriate stop loss and take profits levels to manage potential losses and gains. Fourthly, there is trading plan development, that is creating a structured approach to trading, including setting goals and evaluating performance. And lastly, on this book, I was able to get emotional discipline, which is a very key topic on this book. And I was able to learn about maintaining composure and sticking to the trading plan amidst market volatility. You know that the markets might move against what you had intended, what you had predicted, and actually you might have been correct, but having to learn emotional discipline, I was able to wait, give the market time, and learn where if my predictions were correct or wrong. And finally, my number 8 book that I've come across and that I've gotten to read and get some few points on trading is Precious Market, the Trading Bible by Precious Market. An overview of this book is that this manual offers an in-depth look into supply and demand dynamics within the Forex market. It emphasizes the importance of understanding liquidity and market structure to make informed trading decisions, providing strategies for identifying high probability trade setups and managing risks effectively. So, as the key takeaways from this book was that I was able to learn about supply and demand zone, which is a very key concept in trading. And by this, I got to identify areas where buying and selling pressures is and likely to emerge. My number 2 point was market structure analysis, understanding price movement and patterns, anticipate future trends, the liquidity considerations, recognizing how liquidity affects price action, trade executions, and majorly everything about the liquidity concept. And the number 4 topic that I also covered is on trade execution, implementing precise entry and exit strategies based on market analysis. And finally, the most repeated topic in all these 8 books is on risk management. I was able to employ techniques to protect capital, including setting stop losses, loss orders, and managing position sizes. These books have been so helpful during my trading journey, and I would actually recommend them to all the intermediate and the Forex beginners. And to get these books, if you're interested, you can reach out, write down at the comment section the book that you'd want to get, and I'll actually send you one. And I'm hoping to hear from you what you have learned from these books. And let's keep learning, let's keep getting motivated, don't give up, let's continue learning. So see you next on my next video, and I hope that you are all encouraged, we are all looking forward to getting better in this trading. Thank you.